Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. Today, I will discuss the topic educational philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore. Let us first try to understand brief life sketch of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, born on 7th May 1861 in Calcutta, now Kolkata, India, was a polymath, a poet, philosopher, musician, and artist. The youngest son of Devendranath Tagore, a prominent religious and social reformer, Rabindranath grew up in an intellectually stimulating environment. He was the first non-European to be awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems titled Gitanjali, Song Offerings. Tagore's life was dedicated to literature, art, and social reform until his passing on 7th August 1941. Let me now discuss the educational philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore. 1. Santiniketan, the abode of peace. Tagore, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Tagore founded Santiniketan, abode of peace, in 1901, an experimental school that later grew into Viswabharati University. His educational philosophy centered on the belief that learning should be a harmonious blend of nature, creativity, and cultural heritage. 2. Nature as a teacher. Tagore, the same stream of life that runs through my veins night and day runs through the world and dances in rhythmic measures. Tagore emphasized learning from nature. He believed that direct contact with the environment, rather than rote memorization, was essential for holistic education. 3. Freedom in education. Tagore, don't limit a child to your own learning, for they were born in another time. Tagore advocated for freedom in education, encouraging students to explore and learn at their own pace. He rejected rigid, formal education systems and emphasized the importance of cultivating a child's natural curiosity. 4. Cultural integration. Tagore, I have touched the highest point of the glory of my heart's desires, and I have gazed down to its depths where it spreads out into emptiness. Tagore believed in the synthesis of Eastern and Western educational ideals. He integrated the best of both worlds, combining traditional Indian methods with modern approaches, fostering a global perspective. 5. Art and creativity. Tagore, art is the most intense mode of individualism that the world has known. Tagore considered art and creativity integral to education. He believed that the cultivation of artistic expression was essential for the holistic development of individuals. 6. Teacher-student relationship. Tagore, a teacher can never truly teach unless he is still learning himself. A lamp can never light another lamp unless it continues to burn its own flame. Tagore emphasized a close and reciprocal relationship between teachers and students. He believed that learning is a continuous process, and teachers should be perpetual learners. 7. Spiritual and ethical values. Tagore, the child learns to move about, walk, run, and climb, to eat, talk, think, and observe. Tagore's educational philosophy extended beyond academic knowledge. He aimed to nurture individuals with strong ethical values and a sense of spirituality, promoting the development of the whole person. Rabindranath Tagore's educational philosophy remains influential, reflecting his vision for a holistic and harmonious education that transcends boundaries. Santiniketan, with its open-air classrooms and emphasis on creative expression, stands as a testament to Tagore's enduring impact on the educational landscape. Aims of education according to Rabindranath Tagore. 1. Harmonious development. Education should aim for the harmonious development of the individual, fostering a balance between physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual dimensions. Tagore believed that an education focused solely on intellectual pursuits neglects essential aspects of human growth. 2. Integration of nature and humanity. Tagore emphasized the integration of nature and humanity in education. He envisioned a curriculum that connects students with the natural world, instilling a deep appreciation for the environment and fostering a sense of responsibility towards it. 3. Global understanding and peace. Tagore's educational goals extended beyond national boundaries. He envisioned education as a means to promote global understanding and peace. By embracing cultural diversity and integrating different perspectives, students could contribute to a harmonious world. Curriculum design according to Rabindranath Tagore. 1. Nature-centric curriculum. Tagore's curriculum design involved a strong emphasis on nature-centric learning. Subjects were not confined to textbooks. Instead, students engaged with the environment, exploring the natural world to gain practical knowledge. 2. Cultural synthesis. Tagore advocated for a curriculum that synthesized the best elements of Eastern and Western cultures. He believed in integrating traditional Indian values with modern, progressive ideas, fostering a well-rounded understanding of the world. 3. Holistic arts education. Tagore placed significant importance on arts education. Music, dance, drama, and visual arts were integral to the curriculum, promoting creativity, self-expression, and a deeper connection with cultural heritage. Methods of teaching according to Rabindranath Tagore. 1. Informal and experiential learning. Tagore rejected formal, rigid teaching methods. He encouraged informal and experiential learning where students could explore and discover knowledge through direct experiences, connecting theory with real-life situations. 2. Teacher-student relationship. The relationship between teachers and students was central to Tagore's teaching methods. He believed in a close, reciprocal bond where teachers continuously learned alongside students. This dynamic relationship created an environment of shared exploration. 3. Dialogue and discussion. Tagore valued open dialogue and discussion as essential components of the learning process. Classroom interactions were encouraged, fostering a collaborative environment where ideas were exchanged freely. 4. Emphasis on self-expression. Tagore's methods aimed to nurture individuality and self-expression. Students were encouraged to express themselves creatively through various mediums, fostering a sense of identity and personal growth. 5. Integration of technology and tradition. While embracing modern ideas, Tagore sought a balance between technology and tradition. He believed in integrating technological advancements with traditional wisdom to provide a comprehensive and relevant education. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.